Family is banking on the success of the rights issue to boost its capital base as it seeks to move up the ladder into a Tier 1 bank. With the rights issue priced at 31 shillings each, the bank intends to raise 1.25 billion shillings from its shareholders in order to enable it expand its operations and improve its balance sheet.
We have the branch network. That plan is still going on. We've got infrastructure around our IT that's going on. We have the agent banking model we are rolling out. That's going on. And we are also booking in more loans and more deposits, and we feel we'll be hitting our ceiling over a very short time.
The bank, founded by entrepreneur Titus Muya, has issued a total of 40.5 million shares, in which shareholders will be entitled to 1 share for every 6 shares held. This marks the second time that the bank is raising funding via a rights issue, having done so before in 2009, where it raised 1.5 billion shillings.
We have identified areas of high potential where we are absent. That's in some of the key business areas, including here in Nairobi, as well as some of the counties. So that largely will be informing the next planting of our branches into 2013.
The desire to have a bigger capital base is what is pushing Family Bank to join the list of other banks, such as NIC Bank, Diamond Trust Bank and Standard Chartered Bank, which have opted to raise additional capital via a rights issue. Dennis Otieno, Citizen Business.